Made our way to the public toilets. Oh my gosh, is that Will James Railways?
It is.
Wow, what a great man to meet at a public toilet.
Anyway, in trains. Dairy.
Hello and welcome to Wodonga, Victoria, Australia. More specifically, welcome to the former Wodonga Railway Station, which opened in 1873 and closed down in 2008. Totally not reading this verbatim from Wikipedia right now. And the station closed down as part of the Wodonga Rail Bypass project, so don't panic. Wodonga still has a passenger train. It's just there's a new line that's been sort of diverted on the outskirts of Wodonga, and there's a new station there for everyone to enjoy, which opened in 2011. But the old station here was obviously then left redundant, being bypassed. So it has now been turned into a wonderful, trendy place for the community to meet up, filled with cafes, like a playground, a big plaza thing, and of course, the fabulous goods shed. And yeah, there's lots of cool railway nods here. There's these big gantries. I sort of don't think they were original, but they definitely look cool. And once these vines grow out, it's gonna look even better. But yeah, the pinnacle attraction, I reckon, is the goods shed, which is this fabulous sort of restaurant, pub, craft beer kind of place. It's really cool and trendy. But yeah, it's built in the old Wodonga goods shed, hence the name, the goods shed. So it's really cool to see how they've reused this piece of redundant railway infrastructure as a community meeting place and culinary icon. But yeah, we like trains, and I don't know what to say, but here goes Les with some audio.
These tables are absolutely incredible. As you can see, they're made out of fish plates and railway tracks. Now this is a table that a Gunzel would love. Isn't that right, Will James Railways?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
I want to start in trains. Trains.
Back to reality, back to the goods shed. So it was sort of late afternoon when Will and I arrived here, so they were just serving pizza and chips, which was still very nice. You'll see the pizza in a moment, but you can have a look at the decor in here. It's very interesting to see how they've repurposed the old goods shed here, the sort of trendy rustic vibe that they've gone for. It's pretty cool. They got live music here. There's also a function room, but there were functioning people up there, so I thought I'd leave them alone. Bit of a shot of the new insulation on the roof. Just thought it was interesting compared to an old abandoned railway goods shed that I'm more used to. There's Will James Railways chilling out by the real wood fire. How homely and cozy is that? Got a fabulous kitchen here. These guys are very well known for their excellent meals. And we selected he selected a sour beer. We forgot how much that cost. He got the Peter pizza. And look, loved it, absolutely loved it. I got the buff guy, which tasted absolutely incredible. We had a fabulous meal. Only complaint was probably a little bit expensive, but other than that, I thought it was an excellent place, and the atmosphere was ecstatic. It was incredible in there.
Right, goods shed toilet review. Goods shed toilet review. Look at this. That doesn't exist anymore, that level crossing. And there's a railway map. Yes! Here's a shot of the goods shed when it was still a goods shed. We have a train.
Trainorama.
Toilet review time, let's go. Toilet review, gentlemen. I hope no one's in here. Gentlemen. Cup style urinals here. We've got a sink. Hey! Normal soap. Sanitizer soap. We've got copyrighted music. We've got ads. I don't know if anyone's in there. It's gonna be like cringe if they are. Pretty clean, looks good. I like how that's at a good height. I hate it when it's like really low. Liking it. This is incredible.
If you have any questions or any feedback, of course, leave it in the comment section below.
Where I'm standing right now is where the train would have come through. That's looking towards Sydney. Where Will James Railways is where an actual like elevated platform would have been. So the wagon would have been here. They would have put the stuff on there and then put it through these doors onto trucks or wagons in the original use case.
The question I get asked the most about is my be it at exhibitions or on social media or on the YouTube comments.
Ladies, gentlemen, and other gender non-conforming railway enthusiasts, Will James Railways has left the building.
This big doorway here is where the trains would have come through. That's looking towards Sydney. Geological Gunzel alert. You see a piece of bluestone here, and there's bluestone used throughout the railway buildings here. But it's interesting because bluestone isn't really a rock that you see in this area of Victoria. Secret Gunzel remnants. So there's a good shed in here. Signal light thingy-bobs. And like old, the pole things where the signals would actually go. That's so cool. That's kind of dope. Farewell, Will James Railways.
Bye. But first, let me take a selfie.
We will see you on the memes on the channel. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Bye.
And like that, Will James Railways left, and left me sad and alone and in need of my strong, heroic, bearded man. But if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you haven't already, because we look at historic train-related infrastructure. We also sniff around abandoned buildings. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, because I'm uploading as much as humanly possible. I want it to be weekly. Okay, that's not happening. I think we've all realized that. But I'm not dead. I'm still here. So I also want to thank these Patreons for making this possible. Help me pay for that pizza and we make this video. It's a pretty long way away. So thank you very much for your support, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video on the channel. Thank you guys and girls and everyone.